Hey everybody! If you're struggling to keep up with Microsoft 365 developments or would love to learn something new, then why not join us from September the 8th to the 11th for a fabulous online conference that we've got organised. It's called GlobalCon3 and it's the third massive online event that we've run this year, and it's entirely dedicated to Microsoft 365 technologies. So we've got loads of sessions lined up about Teams, SharePoint, Power Automate, Power Apps. We've got lots of information about security, so keeping your environment nice and secure, and it's all taking place online and is entirely free to attend. So if you Google GlobalCon3, our agenda is now live, so you can find details of all of the different sessions that we've got organised, from Microsoft speakers themselves and world-renowned amazing speaker lineup. So it's taking place on September the 8th to the 11th. It's called GlobalCon3 and is free to attend, and we would absolutely love it if you could join us for a whole heap of fun over those few days. Anyway, hope to see you there. Bye for now.